and welcome to our channel. Today we're going to visit Vakil Bath in Shiraz. Vakil Bath is a historical bathhouse located in Shiraz, Iran. It was built in the 18th century during the Zand dynasty, under the rule of Karim Khan. The bathhouse is known for its impressive architecture, with intricate tilework, vaulted ceilings, and beautifully designed bathing areas. It served as a public bathhouse for many years, providing a place for people to bathe, socialize, and relax. Today, Karim Khan Bath stands as a popular tourist attraction, offering visitors a glimpse into Iran's rich cultural and architectural history. As you can see here, there are many maquettes and statues, which shows that bath back then was not only a place to get clean and get rid of dirt, but also a place to relax, socialize, get some massage, or fix your teeth, or scrubbing your skin by someone else. So these places back then was somewhere to just have some fun and get clean as well.
But they put all over their skin black stuff, and they are telling people that North is coming. And you can see in many Haji peoples in Iran nowadays, it's really fun because they are celebrating the New Year.